Templates. A template is a predefined layout that contains sample content, themes, colors, font style, background style, etc., and gives an initial foundation to create a document. By using a template, we can quickly create a new document. For example, if we want to create a business letter, we can use a letter template and modify only the required sections. We will be able to learn using built-in templates, creating a template, using a template, attaching a template to a document. Table of content means, students, we must have seen the table of contents page in our book that we refer to go to a particular chapter. The table of contents consists of headings and subheadings of a book or document. It is a necessary index generally available in long documents, books, drafts, etc. It includes title or first level headings such as chapter names, and sometimes it even includes second level headings and occasionally third level headings. So students, after the completion of this chapter, we will be able to creating table of contents, customizing the table of contents, maintaining a table of contents. Let's do it practically with demonstration. Using built-in templates. Click on the new options on the file tab. A gallery of templates will be displayed. Click on the sample templates under the available templates. Available templates and office.com templates, two options are here, and select any type of templates from the available templates, means select the required template. Then select the template radio button in the preview pane and click on the create button. We can see the effect. Okay, the same template formatting command will be applied here. Okay, means the formatted template document is available. No need to do any type of formatting here. Means we can do the formatting according to us, but predefined inbuilt formattings are available here. Creating a template. A template can be created in Word by saving a document as a .dotx or .dot file. There are two ways of creating a template. Means Word extension is .docx or .doc, और templates extension .dot. Using a blank template, new पे जाना है, then available templates में से blank templates and office.com templates, means these templates we can download from the net. Okay, then click on new option under the file tab. By default the blank document option is selected. New blank document, then click on create button. Okay, a new document will open. Make the desired changes in the page layout like margin setting, orientation styles, etc. We can also specify the header or footer like page number, date, time, background color, page border. Okay, any type of formatting we can apply, and after specifying all the required setting, click on the save as or save options in the file tab. Specify the name of the templates in the file name text box and word template. Save as type में हम word template select करेंगे, then give a name to your file. Okay, using an existing template. To create a template using an existing template, Click on the new options in the file tab. A gallery of templates will be displayed. Click on the new from existing option present under the available template section. The new from existing document dialog box open. Locate and select the template or document that we want as a base from your new template. Click on the create new button. Got it? A new document will be displayed containing the select, as I'm selecting here my style. Okay, create now. Means as existing templates, designs, effects can be applied on currently opened template or document. Okay. Using a template, when we create a new document in Word, a default template normal.dotm is always associated with it, always associated with that document. However, we can select our own template with the document while creating a new document. Okay. हम अपना भी बना सकते हैं फाइल टैब में जाके न्यू ऑप्शन से, और अवेलेबल टेम्पलेट्स के अंदर माई टेम्पलेट्स में न्यू डायलॉग बॉक्स जो आएगा वहाँ से हम अपना टेम्पलेट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. हाउ टू क्रिएट इट, लेट्स सी. Click on file menu, save as options. I'm saving this. जो मैंने फॉर्मेटिंग चेंज की थी वो फॉर्मेटिंग अप्लाई करके मैंने सेव किया है. ओके. अब अपना एक टेम्पलेट बनाते हैं. उस टेम्पलेट को कैसे हम डिफरेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स पर अप्लाई करते हैं, लेट्स सी. Click on file tab, then new option is available here. New option is available here. Then select my templates and blank document is available. Now this time we will select template instead of document. Radio button. Okay, now apply the formatting features on this document. एक रिज्यूम फॉर्मेटिंग फाइल बनाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स का रिज्यूम. सपोज वी वांट टू अप्लाई द सेम फॉर्मेटिंग ऑन ईच एंड एवरी रिज्यूम वट एवर द स्टूडेंट्स विल बी सबमिटेड. और जो भी हम ऑनलाइन फॉर्म फिल करते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि ऑनलाइन फॉर्म में क्या होता है, द फॉर्मेटिंग फीचर्स ऑलवेज रिमेन सेम. ओके, वी फिल द फॉर्म एंड व्हेन एवर वी सबमिट द फॉर्म वी कैन गेट द ब्लैंक फॉर्म अगेन. ओके, तो हमने रिज्यूम फाइल बनानी है. Let's type some fields, give some formatting command, set the alignment and increase font size. Name, address and city. I inserted here 3 fields only because it's a demo. Apply page color. Or effects, we can also apply texture, pattern, pictures. Many effects are given here. Now save the template file. इस फाइल को मैं सेव कर देती हूँ. Give any name. Then close this and open a simple document and how to take the formatting feature from this template to the opened document. Okay, again click on new, then my templates. Then this time we will select the particular template which we have created earlier and we take here document instead of template. Okay, now insert the field here, name of student, address of students and city of student. we can see the formatting is no need to type resume, no need to increase the size, no need to set the alignment, because everything we have applied in the templates. Okay, and the background also. One student's record we have inserted here. If we want to insert another student, again we need to follow the same process and the same command, temp, then document. Okay, and here we can also insert students, another student's data. Okay, so students, attaching a template to a document. How to attach? Suppose we have created a document in the word base on a particular template. We want to change the attached template. We can do it. फाइल मेन्यू पर जाएंगे, ऑप्शंस में एड-इन्स, देन मैनेज के अंदर जाना है हमने, सिलेक्ट टेम्पलेट्स, देन क्लिक ऑन गो बटन. ओके, देन attach the template, then select the particular template from here, then open and tick the radio button, automatically updated, and click on OK. Now we will learn table of contents. A table of contents acts as a map for the users. It allows them to find the information in the document using the chapter names and page number. I have typed some data here. Now I am inserting headings on the different pages. Got it? Because it works on the headings and subheadings. To create a table of contents, we must use appropriate styles for the headings in our document. Got it? And Word provides 3 methods to create a table of contents in a document: using inbuilt style, inbuilt types, using the manual table options, using the insert table of contents option, using inbuilt types. But for every option we have to insert some headings. Okay, I'm inserting headings. I'm taking some pages here, and I have inserted 4 pages in this document. First of all, we will learn inbuilt types. Word lets built up automatic table of contents using the table of contents option. It generates all the entries automatically as hyperlinks in the table of content. We can visit the heading by pressing the control key and clicking on the hyperlink. Okay, I'm inserting here headings and सब हेडिंग्स मैं यहाँ पर इंसर्ट कर रही हूँ. एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर मैंने हेडिंग 1 लिया है, और फर्दर मैं MS वर्ड और MS एक्सेल जो है इसकी सब हेडिंग्स में यहाँ पर ले रही हूँ. ओके, देन आफ्टर इंसर्टिंग इट in the document, position the cursor where we want to insert the table of content, TOC. table of content हमने कहाँ पर insert करने हैं? We have position the cursor where. Then a table of content is inserted after the little page in a document. Click on the references, then table of contents, automatic table 1. Automatic table 1 or 2 options are available here. Okay, we can see here the different heading, whatever we have given on the different pages, we can see in the table of contents. Computer hardware, I have given the heading on page number 2 and application software on page number 4. Okay, then manual table options. Another option in the table of contents, some menu is manual table. Okay, here we can insert the headings or subheadings. The procedure is same. Click on references, then table of contents, then click on the manual option. Okay. Next is using insert table of contents options. The next option is table of content, insert table of content options. In case we want to make modification, okay, we can click on insert table of content options. Got it? Here 3 levels are default, and we can increase or decrease the levels of headings. And selecting style of tab ladder, the default style of tab letter is dotted line, but we can change and we can see in the preview easily. Preview में हमें easily यहाँ पर दिख रहा है. Got it? Now students, customizing table of content by modifying. Click on modifying. Okay, many options and styles are available here, and we can modify our contents. We can change color, we can increase, decrease the size, font size, we can underline the text, and through the format we can apply all these options. And when we click on OK button, we can see its effect on the table of content. Got it, students? Next is maintaining a table of contents. Whenever you make changes to the text of a heading in the body of the document or the page on which the heading appears, okay, those changes will appear in the table of contents automatically whenever it is updated. Updating a table of contents when changes are made to the document, or deleting a table of content. Updating. What doesn't update the table of content automatically, we need to update the table of content every time when we make a changes in our document. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम होम टैब के अंदर जाकर स्टाइल्स ग्रुप में जाते हैं. कोई भी हमने सपोज यहाँ पर अपना चेंजेस करना है टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट के अंदर, वी कैन सिलेक्ट, देन click on update table. Update table is available in the at the upper side of the table of content, or through the references we can also get it. Okay, we can apply it on the entire table. Click on the entire table. Okay, we can see the effect on the entire table contents. Got it? Deleting a table of contents. To remove it, again we need to visit the references, table of content options. Okay, in the drop down list, click on the remove table of contents. The table of content will be removed. So students, table of content is very important topic for us, as we can see the index of our book and notebook. Easily we can navigate the